All right, we're back on the record. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The state is proceeding on count two, possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two, waiving count one. There's a $1,000 fine. They were taken in consideration 2025 PF 07403. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense? Then to count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, state defense. I endeavor to stay in my lane, but this is possession 1 to 4 grams, and the weight of the drug, according to the lab report, is 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams. So if y'all still want to go forward with this defense, I will, but the range of punishment, the offense is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. They did the weight of the drug, and when they did the weight of the drug, it's 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams.
I noticed that as well, Judge, and I discussed that with my client. Considering what the original offense was, we thought that was a good middle ground.
Okay, I mean, if this is what you all want to do. All right, thank you. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing other than, as the court can see, this is his first offense, hopefully his last offense. He has no priors other than a couple of pending cases rising out of the same offense. A date in.
What are the pending cases
misdemeanor
arising out of
court.
this offense?
I think it's a UCW and a reckless driving.
And he doesn't have any other criminal history?
That's my,
He has no other criminal history, and the defense counsel said the reckless driving did step from this house, taken into consideration, and then the ECW is gonna be filed in rent.
I just want to know. All right. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
Yes,
Doing what?
I work at AutoZone as a promoter.
Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. Do you have any children? There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. Do you live with anyone who has children?
No, I live with my grandmother, Your Honor.
Okay. No residing in households with minors. Oh, that's what I'm ordering, but thank you for letting me know. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. What's your dream job? Are you doing your dream job or?
My dream job is, I'm not currently doing my dream job. My dream job is what I'd like to say. I wanted to apply to be an electrician. I already had my my electrical apprentice license. I just need to go and like do like hours. So I've worked under like an electrician for a couple hours, but I need to reapply for my electrician license.
All right, there'll be 120 hours of community service restitution. If you obtain your trade school certification or whatever certification you need, be it to be an electrician or a welder or whatever it may be, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Otherwise, you're going to have to do the community service hours. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. All right, we've got the record in this court to be successful. Communication is key. Do not disappear on probation. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back and address it with me. Now, as a side note, here's my question. The piercings on the cheek, does that hurt?
No, Your Honor. I mean, it's a pinch.
Oh, and do they go underneath the skin? I always wonder if you want it yourself, are you able to do that or no?
This one specifically, it doesn't need a doctor to put in, so I can remove it by taking off the top, and it's a bar under my skin.
Oh, do you just unscrew it or?
Yeah.
Okay, I always have these questions. All right, good luck to you. Just probation will go over conditions with you, then you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 011624 State versus Jan Madura, and you're Miss Madura.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based upon my calculations, you should be able to have this paid off before the 2 years. Do you understand? If you're paying 500 per month. All right, so we're here for sentencing today, and we were called back because there was a matter of restitution. Are both parties ready to proceed with the sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court will do. Your agreement was for deferred adjudication, so the court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. The court will show that restitution of $77.01 was previously paid to the Junior League of San Antonio. Remaining restitution is $9,799.42 to Berkshire Hathaway and $227.71 to Visa. Restitution is to be paid in the amount of $500 per month. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed? And what do you do?
I am self-employed. I do contract work, accounting work over online.
Does anyone have any issues with her doing accounting work? And is this accounting work that you're doing, is there any exchanging of money?
No.
All right. Then proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 80 hours of community service restitution, field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Yes, Judge. So,
Oh, I'm so sorry. They proceeded on the lesser included offense of theft, $750 to $2,500.
okay, Judge.
And they're proceeding as a Class A misdemeanor.
As far as the restitution is concerned, can you please give me those names?
All right, yes, Berkshire, Hathaway, Hathaway, and then the $227.71 to Visa. All right, we can go off the record. So in this court, to be successful, probation communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court, but you always do. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 010997, State versus John Jacob Gamez. Are you Mr. Gamez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, both parties waive PSI.
We did, Judge.
According to your plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at a cap of 8 years in the prison. This run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. The state is opposed to your application. Is he currently on probation?
He's on parole, Judge.
Parole, right. Are there any do you have any witnesses? Defense, any witnesses?
And Judge, I think the case that he's on parole for is a 2003, not 2023.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 2003 CR 6499B.
No witnesses, Judge, just argument.
All right,
Your Honor, the state's position is that Mr. Gamez is not fit for any type of community supervision, but rather for incarceration. He has already done 3 previous trips. The most recent being for an ag robbery in 2004, so because of that.
all right, defense.
Judge, I understand the state's argument. On paper, it looks bad. But Mr. Gamez here, he went to prison for a case out of 2003 for an ag robbery. He sat in prison for about 17 and a half years. He got out on parole, has been working at Paisano's restaurant as a chef for the last 4 years. He was helping to raise his three boys, helping his elderly mother. Everything had been going well. He was doing well at work. What was the name of the chef you were working under?
Under Chef Raul.
Under Chef Raul, he had high hopes. And it's true that the path to hell's paved with good intention, Judge. His brother needed someplace to stay. He felt he couldn't let his brother live out on the street, so he let his brother live with him. Unfortunately, the brother ended up having a warrant for his arrest. When a warrant was executed at his house, they came in, they found the brother, they found a gun. Because it's his house, he was charged. Mr. Gamez knew he could take this to trial. He didn't want to waste waste the court's time. He knew that he made a mistake by having his brother live there. It was his house, thus he was in possession.
And so we took this plea. We're hoping that you give him this opportunity to prove himself. I know it's based on his record, it looks bad, but you know, he did spend his time. It was 22 years ago that the ag robbery occurred, and he was trying to do well. If you can give him an opportunity, he can prove himself, Judge. He's willing to abide by any condition.
All right, is there anything you wish to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, in the stipulations, you admitted that you're the person who purchased the weapons.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so, I mean, I don't think you're a good candidate. I mean, you should have known you can't purchase weapons. You're right. So the court is going to find you guilty. The state is asking for a cap of 8 years. Is there any argument with regards to the cap?
Just simply, Judge, that he was trying to do well. He knows he made a mistake. He's accepting responsibility for it, Judge, by taking this plea and not making the state take him to trial and waste the court's time. So we're asking that you be as lenient as you can.
All right, and state. All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. I'm sorry, not 2023. It will run concurrent with 2003 CR 6499B. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You know what position you're in. You know, if you don't know, if you didn't know before, you now know. You're not allowed to possess weapons. You're a felon, right? And you shouldn't let anybody in your space that is going to potentially result in you being charged with something that's illegal, because you know what you're facing. All right, good luck to you, okay?
The stars are strung like tinsel bright, a Texas sky on Christmas night. The prairie hums a Yuletide tune underneath the lassoed moon, with jingle bells on spurred boots clink. It's Christmas here in Texas swing. Oh, Christmas in Texas, where the cowboys sing, where the fiddle bows and the sleigh bells ring. The tumbleweeds roll, the coyotes croon, and the Lone Star shines like a silver spoon. Oh, Christmas in Texas, it's a western thing. Grab your partner and do-si-do to the swing. The stockings hang by a mesquite tree, the campfire glows with jubilee. Santa trades his sleigh for a dusty ride, a longhorn team and a trail so wide. He tips his hat with a merry grin. It's Christmas here in Texas swing. The barn's alive with a two-step beat. Boots are stomping, hearts feel the heat. Even Rudolph taps his hoof in time, while the band plays sweet with a swinging rhyme. Oh, Christmas in Texas, where the cowboys sing, where the fiddle bows and the sleigh bells ring. The tumbleweeds roll, the coyotes croon, and the Lone Star shines like a silver spoon. Oh, Christmas in Texas, it's a western thing. Grab your partner and do-si-do to the swing. So here's a toast to the holiday cheer from the Texas plains we hold so dear. With a wink and a twang, let the jingle bells ring. Merry Christmas, y'all, in Texas swing.